people share an intimate bond with the olive tree, whose roots date back to thousands of years ago. To them, the olive tree symbolizes their deep connection to the land, peace, and security, while also holding a sacred status in various religious traditions. Olive trees blanket over 575,000 dunams, approximately 142,000 acres of Palestinian land, constituting around 85% of the fruit-bearing trees. In a good year, they yield about 33,000 tons of olives, with a reduced production of 7,000 tons in less favorable years. Since 1967, the Israeli occupation has been responsible for the destruction of 800,000 olive trees through uprooting and burning, employing increasingly extreme methods such as saturating trees with wastewater and spraying toxic substances into the roots, resulting in complete devastation. Suspicious objects resembling landmines have also been planted by the occupation, and iron bars have been embedded in farmers' lands to sabotage vehicles and agriculture machinery.